If YouTube is not playing properly in Firefox, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a great troubleshooting guide if videos are buffering, stuttering, freezing, or not loading at all. We'll test for extension conflicts, clear YouTube cookies and cache, and also disable hardware acceleration if Firefox and your graphics settings are not playing nicely together. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright. Let's jump right in. First, we want to check whether the issue is being caused by an add-on or some kind of tracking protection in Firefox. To do that, open Firefox and click the hamburger menu in the top right corner. That is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, choose New Private Window. A private window is useful because it usually runs with fewer add-ons interfering with websites. Now, in that private window, go to YouTube and try playing any video. If the video works normally here, that is a strong sign that one of your normal add-ons is causing the issue. In many cases, the culprit is an ad blocker, privacy extension, or tracking tool that is blocking part of YouTube from loading correctly. If this happens, go back to your regular browser window and disable your extensions one by one until you find the one causing the problem. This is the fastest way to isolate the issue without guessing. If YouTube still isn't working in private mode, the next step is to clear YouTube cookies and site data. Sometimes corrupted temporary files can prevent videos from loading properly or cause login issues. To do this, open YouTube in Firefox and look at the left side of the address bar. You should see a padlock or shield icon. Click that icon, then choose Clear Cookies and Site Data. When Firefox asks you to confirm, click Clear. After that, reload the page and sign back into YouTube if needed. This step can fix broken playback caused by old or damaged cookie data, and it is one of the most effective fixes when a website seems to be stuck or behaving strangely. If the page still misbehaves after clearing the data, refresh it once more and test a different video just to make sure the issue is gone. If you are still having trouble, the next fix is to disable hardware acceleration in Firefox. Sometimes your graphics card and Firefox can clash, which can cause videos to stutter, lag, or fail to play smoothly. To change this setting, click the hamburger menu again and open Settings. Once Settings opens, use the search bar and type Performance. In the Performance section, first uncheck Use Recommended Performance Settings. When you do that, a few extra options will appear. Then uncheck Use Hardware Acceleration when available. This tells Firefox not to rely on the graphics card for rendering video playback and page elements. After changing that setting, restart Firefox completely. Make sure the browser is fully closed and then open it again so the new setting takes effect. Once Firefox reloads, go back to YouTube and test your videos again. In a lot of cases, this simple change is enough to fix playback issues, especially on systems where graphics drivers or browser rendering are causing problems. So to quickly recap, if YouTube is not working in Firefox, first test in a private window to check for bad extensions, then clear YouTube cookies and cache, and finally disable hardware acceleration if the problem is still there. These 3 steps solve a lot of common playback problems without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you fix YouTube in Firefox, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step fixes, tips, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.